In April 2026, Aerosense exhibited at SusHi Tech Tokyo 2026, one of the largest global innovation conferences in Asia. SusHi Tech Tokyo brings together a diverse range of players from around the world, including startups, investors, large corporations, and academic supporters, to foster interaction and generate innovations that help solve global challenges. With the goal of realizing sustainable cities through high technology, innovators from across the globe gathered for this event. At our booth, we introduced a case study of the VTOL drone Air Robo-Wing, which is being actively utilized on Shikinejima and Niijima in the Izu Islands, as part of the Tokyo Takarajima Challenge project. We also showcased the actual unit of the large VTOL cargo drone SusHi, which is scheduled for future deployment in the same region. We will leverage this drone not only for surveying and monitoring, but also to help solve logistical challenges in the field of transportation. At this exhibition, we had the opportunity to introduce our drones and use cases on Shikinejima to many visitors from overseas. While sharing operational examples from Japan, we engaged with international participants through discussions, including potential joint development opportunities. Aerosense will continue to drive new developments to promote drone utilization not only in Japan but also globally. We will also remain committed to addressing regional challenges faced by remote islands, including Shikinejima and Niijima.